Hello, happy International Scrapbooking Week. I hope you're all enjoying the Scrapfest event. This is Natsuko and I'll be doing a mini class using mixed media and metal dies. I'm using the February 2023 Nested Hearts metal dies and 3 Lindy's Stamp Gang magical powders from the July 2023 color kit. But you can also use any die or inks that you have. Here are 2 sheets of 8.5 times 11 size cardstock. You can use any cardstock, 12-inch, or if you have watercolor paper, that's fine, it's up to you. Now before I'm going to use any ink, I'm going to prep the paper with gesso. This is clear gesso. If you have watercolor paper, you can skip this process, but if you're using regular cardstock like me, I highly recommend you to use gesso. By doing this, the ink won't soak into the paper immediately and it will be much easier to use, especially if you're going to add water. Make sure it's completely dry before you add any paint. I'm starting with the pink magical powder. This is called Umbrella Drink Pink. These powder watercolors are super easy to use. Just scoop a little bit of powder and spray water over it. You can see how the paint moves around after you add water. If you're using regular cardstock and don't apply gesso before this process, the paint will soak in immediately and it will be difficult to spread the paint smoothly. I'm going to paint with 2 more colors. The yellow paint is called Teeny Weeny Bikini and the green one is called Dipper Toe Teal. I'm going to fast forward a bit from here as it is the same process. Here you can see that this part is darker than the other parts, meaning that I didn't apply gesso there. Over here too, but it's okay, nothing has to be perfect here. For my next sheet of paper, I'm mixing the powders to make 3 more colors. So this is pink and yellow to make a dark orange color. The next one is yellow and teal to make a darker greenish color. The last color is going to be pink and teal, and this will become purple. I am using an emboss heater to dry this, but you can use a hair dryer, or if you have time, just leave it to dry. This is white acrylic paint. I wanted to add some splatters, so I watered it down a little bit and splattered over the colors. Now it's completely dry and you can see how bold and shimmery the colors are. I'm cutting the paper by color, so there will be 6 sheets of paper with different colors. I chose several sizes from the nested heart dies. And die cut them with my die cut machine. I repeated this with all the colors, and here are all the hearts. I didn't end up using all of them, but I will save them for another project. Here is another idea. I made this off camera. I mixed the colors instead of dividing them, and I cut them with a border die, and it looks like this. You can use it in layouts or cards or whatever you want. You can do this technique with any type of dies and paint. So here is the layout using the hearts. I didn't glue the entire hearts because I didn't want them to be flat. For the title, I used the big chipboard alphas. They are from the March 2024 kit. And I put dimensional foam adhesive on the back and layered it on the hearts so they will pop up. I also added embellishments from also the March 2024 kit, and this is my finished layout. Here are some close-ups. I hope you like it. To join the challenge for this class, you have to combine mixed media with dyes. Any dyes or inks are okay. Take a picture of your project and post it to the coordinating album in the HipKit Club Facebook group by Sunday, May 12th at midnight PST. A winner will be announced on May 14th and will get a $15 gift certificate. There is also a big sale in the HipKit Club website until May 5th, 11 p.m. PST, so don't forget to check that too. I hope my English was okay. If there was anything that you didn't understand, or if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will join the challenge. Thank you. Bye.